how to apply systems thinking in 3 simple steps. The first level is about how to think in systems. The second level is about how to learn with systems. And the third level is about how to earn. But if you think about this, the first level is about how to think. In other words, it's about metacognition. How to think about how I think. Okay, if your brain is created by different kind of neurons, you can understand neurons by simple data, como pequeñas piezas de información, little piece of information, okay? And there is a linear thinker ideas you have in every neuron. For example, there is I don't know, I want to say something like, for example, if A, therefore B, B is at the same time C, C, therefore A. But wait, try to keep it simple because yes, there is different concepts you can create in different connections inside your brain, but try to keep it simple because this is A, B, and C. And this is one of the most important skills you can create in your day to day. For example, you have to recognize your priorities in your day to day. This is you, and this is your priorities A, B, C. What is your priorities, your foundations in your day to day? For example, if you go to the gym, okay, go to the gym. And if I go to the gym, I can make other things. For example, at the same time, I always try to educate my mind, content, this kind of videos. And for example, I build my own projects, build projects. For example, if I go to the gym, therefore I can see educational content. At the same time, educational content, it's the same to build my own projects because I can iterate these things. There is a connection between your priorities and your day to day. You only have to recognize why your mind always tries to make different activities in your day to day. So then you can understand how you think. If the first level is about understand your understanding, the second level is about how to learn with systems. But if you can go more deep, the second level is not about you, it's about your mentors. Back in the college, I was in the architecture school. And one day I was feeling so bad because a bad score exam. At least it's not the score I wanted. And then there is a professor asked me something like, who is your mentor? Who are the mentors who inspire you? And I didn't know what to say because I didn't have one. Okay. And when you have mentors in your niche, in your career, in your profession, or every field you want, you can improve by yourself. And this is one of the most important skills about systems thinking. If you can apply systems of your mentors, if you know how they think, how your mentors think, you can apply different patterns, connections, ideas. You can replicate or you can iterate and improve the ideas of your reference or mentors because you can recognize patterns, you can recognize different possibilities. Okay, it's not about just think or just to how to apply systems thinking. It's about how you can improve the ideas of other people. Okay, if the first level is about you and your priorities, you have to understand your mentors because there is patterns, connections, probably you cannot recognize yet. So there is a kind of priorities your mentors build every day. At the end, it's about recognize patterns, reconocer patrones, ideas, ideas. And if you can understand this, probably you are going to recognize how to earn with systems in simple steps. This is the second level, the first level, the second level, and the third level is about how to earn with systems. If I can understand how I think, how my mentors think, I can build a combination of priorities between me and my mentors. But the problem with that is this is a platonic idea about yourself because this is you, your mentors, and the combination about you and your mentors. But you are in the center. You are in the center. You are in the middle of this kind of systems because Yes, you have priorities in your day to day, is your identity. You recognize others' ideas, other perspectives, others' identities, and you have to create a new perspective. But the problem with that is, yes, there is a platonic idea about you, about yourself. But one of the most important skills here is you have to identify sustainable mentors. Okay, try to keep it simple. Try to think like this. If I can understand how I think in my, for example, in your priorities in your day to day, and then I can understand how other people thinks, how other people like my mentors. But this kind of mentors need to be sustainable people. If you want to apply systems, there are always people who don't like simple frames. They want to overcomplicate things. But if you can realize that you are always in the center between your priorities, your mentor's priorities, and your ideal you, you'll finally understand there is no perfect system thinking. It's just organize the chaos inside your mind. Esto se trata sobre mantenerlo simple. This is about how you can create a simple frame. If you have the foundation of your priorities and the others people, and you can reframe these mental models, yes, you'll probably be successful in your niche or business. But try to apply this kind of concepts and nothing more. Don't try to overcomplicate things. And try to remember this. Less is more. Menos es más. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos pronto. Chao, chao, adiós. Adiós, adiós, adiós. Chao, chao, adiós.